Yeah,
Hmm.
recording started. Okay, so let me introduce first. This is activity number 4, and our topic is like pro and cons of social media. So let's start with you, Shraddha.
Starting with me, so I will speak about pros. Okay.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah. Mm. Coming towards the social media part, for our generation, it is like a blessing having social media interacting with social media so much. It's really low of cost, I can say that, because everyone can afford internet connection right now.
Yes.
And it's quite easy to cope with this social media. So what we can say more, we can meet many people through this social media platform. We
Yes.
can get to learn many more interesting and new things from this. Everyone can get popular nowadays by using social media also. That
They,
can earn money and all. Means I think it is good to use social media. What
okay.
about you? What do you
Okay.
think?
Okay, I think it is totally depend on the person, like how it is using for it. Like some people use it for marketing purpose, some use it using for teaching purpose, and some people use it for the entertainment portion. Right? There are
Yeah,
actually there are total the pro and cons of. I think there are pro and cons of social media, right? Because if you are using it for study, for
yeah,
marketing, or to enlarge your business, or to getting, or you want to get traffics for your website, then it is a good thing. And initially, if you are think, if initially I think like it is a good thing. Like it's really help to get contact with person very easily. Like you can contact with anyone in the world, right? But there is also
yeah. Sitting
cons.
on one place.
Yeah, but there is also cons of that thing. Like, hello,
Yeah.
can you
Hello.
hear me? Okay, okay. I think something
Yes,
is
yes,
okay. So the I think the if we there you can you hear me, Shraddha?
yes, yes. I can hear you.
Okay then. So there is, I think there is the same thing. Like there is also a pro and there is also cons. Like if you, it is
Yeah.
totally depend on the user how it is how he is using it. Like pro likes, you can contact with anyone at any time.
Mhm.
Like this is also pro. You can use it for your marketing. You can get popular by social media nowadays, right? So this is a
Yeah.
pro thing. You can even crowdfunding for anyone. Like one of my friend died in COVID, so my all of my friend crowdfunded his family. So yeah, this is also a good thing, right? But there is, I think,
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
pro things like there is lot of false information present in the social media. Like I think the 90%, not 90%, but you can say that 60% social media is about falsely things. Everybody is uploading their good pictures. Nobody uploads like their their what is going on the
Yeah.
other days in their life, right? So people just
Yeah.
predict that everything is good with everyone, and just thing is not normal with me. Like, but this is not like that.
Yeah.
There is also some like security issues. You can never permanently delete your, like you can't just delete your photo permanently from anybody device. Like if you upload any picture and anybody shows that, so there is no option to get deleted that piece, right? So it is.
Yeah.
So what you personally feel about it? I mean, how it is impact your life? It is in good way or it is in bad way? What was your like?
For me, I think it is good, but whatever you told now, that saving a photo or deleting any content or photo, that is really not very good with me, because when you are a housewife, then you have many things going on around you. how will people react to it and all. So we have that much kind of pressure into our head that if you want to post something, so post very neat photo and all, that it shouldn't be an issue to other people's who where we live.
Yes.
So for me it's that thing, we are under pressure, like if
Yes.
any photo I upload, I'm just in pressure that what if means who are living
Right. Right.
around my surroundings and all,
Yes.
neighbors,
Yes.
what they will think about it, will they
Yes.
take
Yes.
it positively or negatively.
Yes.
We have this pressure all through this all through these things going on into our mind. But as you said, it is up to you how much we can impact that thing on us. So yeah, I don't bother about it now so much because what happens, what the point you told to me, that people only post the good things on internet right now,
Yes.
they don't show the other side of the coin of their lives. I totally agree with you, because when we are happy, then only we are going to post something. For example, when we go out, when we prepare a nice dish, or when we have some good friends around us, that time only we use this social media to, let them know what is going around us when we are happy. But
Yes. Hello. Hello, Shraddha. I can't hear you. Hello.
and the most con thing of this social media is that we are connectivity between two people in getting lost, you know
Yes. Yes. Yes.
in one room. If we have two people seated, they are just keeping on scrolling over the mobile, going through Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, and whatever they like. So connectivity bond gets distracted or gets over because of this social media. I personally think this, because even my kids are very they also like the social media very much. They like watching YouTube videos, and they actually, they're going on keeping on recording the vlogs on that on themselves only. Like they are keeping on practicing that how she's making videos, how she's introducing herself or himself in the camera. So my kids also do the same. They just take my mobile and keep on vlogging whatever they are playing with their cars or toys. So this is the thing right now I
Glad
think about.
that social media hit in our 20s. Like, right? We should be glad for that. That social media comes in our life in our 20s, right? Because it haven't impact that much to our educational life
Yeah.
and other life. Like we used to be so playful at that time, right? So I think you said that. I mean, I like your that point that it is really a thing that how if we upload a picture and how it is going to impact the other people's in the media, right? It is really a good point you raise. But I think the social media, it
Yeah.
was always a like it was always a pressure that how is people going to react, no matter in like not only in social media, like in like our social day to day life also, but just social media. What the social media did is he social media just put that pressure in digital content. Like there is also there people are also in social media, so the pressure goes on directly to social media, right? That's the thing.
Yeah.
So I
Even I can listen. Yeah.
I think this what happens to me is like I was literally addict to social media in 2000 like 2020 and all because I was at the graduation at that time. But later on, I find that it was not gonna like it is not a good thing for me for my career. Later on, I just stopped to upload my pics. I didn't reduce my like mobile time and screen time, but I start to reduce it by step. Like it's really impact my life now. After that, I mostly use YouTube for learning purpose. Before that, I used to watch it for web series and everything. Now I just only watch it for like education purpose. Before that, I used to watch it for game streaming and all. I think that's just hit your like what should I say about productivity, right? You just can't focus on one thing for that because of that. Hello. Hello, Shraddha, are you there? I think, hi, okay, I
Now
can
I
see
can
you.
get your voice.
Yes, 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 yes. So, how, what do you think that how is gonna impact your child, like to next generation of us? Because I have a niece and she is also social media addict. Like we just put some restriction on her, like she can't just watch TikTok and all because of what kind of content they are serving. So, but she just fight with us for that. But still, we managed to do that. So, what are your thoughts about the thing like? How is going to impact our children, because we are the last generation that was live without the social media, right?
Yeah, we were totally outdoor kids type. Whatever we have to play, we were searching for a reason to get out of the house and play with
Yeah.
our friends and all. We are that generation.
Yes.
So with this generation, I don't think they're going to leave the mobile or the technology for 1 second from the hand or what. I really don't think so because they are so much addicted. They want to always see new contents, what they are seeing from the content creators. Content As we come to the content creator, there are many good content makers and bad content makers also. So when we come towards the good content makers, they really means they provide knowledgeable contents which kids can watch. And some provide the means there is very bad content also on the social media. So I basically, being a mother of two kids, I really feel it very unsafe for my kids that they should use this social media.
Yeah, yeah.
So when they want to use it for only positive purpose, for good purpose, for information purpose, not for anything else. But being a
Yes,
mother,
yes,
I too feel a little bit scared about this thing right now
yes, yes. As an adult we can
because the
understand.
addiction is going.
As an adult we can
Yeah,
understand that
addiction is going.
what are the false news and what are the things that is not real, right? But as a kid I can understand how it is impacting them. Like they can use it for marketing also, the social media for small kids. I use i can
Hmm.
understand also. Okay. So
Yeah.
again, I think I also have a niece, and she is like continuously. We reduce the her screen time right now, but like it is really impacting her. Like apps like TikTok. I'm not in opposition of TikTok. Like I don't oppose the TikTok, but the thing is the kind of content they are serving to society and all things, that is not productive thing, I think. Because we are just I think I haven't used the TikTok yet, but I see the reels and all. People are just get addicted to it, right? I mean, it's just
Yeah.
skill or productivity and all, and we just can't focus on our work. That is what the bad thing I feel about. Yeah, unless otherwise it is a good thing, right?
Yeah, it is a good thing. But when see, we are also adults. We know what are the pros and cons. Then to we keep on using the social media without knowing the pros and cons, then it is really unsafe.
Hello, I'm not getting your voice, Shraddha. Hello, you getting my voice? Okay, I think there is some connection problem regarding Shraddha's network. So that's it for today. I think we will continue from tomorrow and with more good connection and all. So thank you.